अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friend audition. Myself, I am Daraksa Praveen, daughter of Andy Jilani. I am from Parsa. I study in class 2. Today, I am here to present a speech on Islam. Islam is a religion. Muslims believe in Allah. They pray 5 times a day. Muslims read the Quran. They fast during Ramzan. Muslims go to the masjid. They help others and give to charity. Islam teaches kindness and respect. Teachers and my dear friend audition on hijab. Good evening, respected teachers and my dear friend. I am Zainab Khatun, daughter of MD Jahangir. I am from Parsa. I study in class 4th Arabic. Today I am here to present a speech on hijab. Hijab is an Arabic word meaning to cover. Hijab refers to clothing such as a head scarf. Muslim girls and men wear hijab. A lot of people think hijab is only a Muslim style of clothing, but that is not true. It is believed that hijab saves a man from social evil.
John Holy Quran. Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Jasmine Khatun, daughter of MD Israel. I am from Bhagwatipur. I study in class 2. Today the topic of my speech is Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is a code of life. It is the sacred book of Muslims. The Holy Quran is in the Arabic language. The Surah Baqarah is the longest surah of the Holy Quran. Each surah Kausar, the Holy Quran. Each surah Kausar, the Holy Quran has all the message of Allah. There are 30%
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, I am Naik Khatun, daughter of MD Zahid. I live at Parsa. I am from Bihar. I am 12 years old. I study in class 1st. I am a student of Jamiatul Mohsinat Parsa. My father is worker. My mother is housewife. My hobby is reading. I want to an alima.
Good evening to my respected teachers and my dear friend. Today the topic of my speech is teachers. Teachers is a very important part of our society. They give us knowledge. They help save our life. The teachers are role model for students. The teachers are like our second. I like my teachers very much.
Very good evening to my teacher guest and my dear friends. My name is MD Ashad. I am from Binagar. Today is a very special day because we are going to celebrate our L1 function. School life is the best life, and yes,
ठीक है, चलिए
and yes, our
even in a family without discipline we cannot live a successful life. Discipline is very important to have success in life. Discipline is the first step to success. Discipline is the key of success. That's all.
Today the topic of my speech is education. Education is the tool that helps us to understand life. It is the tool that keeps us happy. Education can change one's life completely. A child's education begins at home. Its short education is a key to success in life.
teachers and my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum.
My name is MD Farhan Alam. My father name is MD Kamre Alam. I am from Parsa 8. First, I wish you all very happy. All one family today, 21 February, and we are celebrate. I am so happy. Thanks for all.
Teachers and dear friends, myself, I am Abia Parveen, daughter of MD Jainul Abdin. I am from Parsa. I study in class 2nd Farsi. Today the topic of my speech is education. Education is the tool that helps us to understand life. It is the tool that keeps us happy. Education can change one's life completely. A child's education begins at home. Education is fundamental right of every person. Educated people make our educated society. Only educated person can take a nation to progress. In short, education is a key to success in life. That's all.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saista Sana. My father's name is Muhammad Sanaullah. I am from Rayam. I reading in class at Faldom in Jamiatul Musinat Islampur Parsa under the guidance of Maulana Aftab Alam Kasmin. I want to become a teacher. Thanks for all.
Importance of namaz. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friend. Myself, I am Sakina Khatun, daughter of Hafiz Sagir Ahmed. I am from Charrapatti. I study in class Arabic 4th. Today I am present here to speak on importance of namaz. Namaz is the second pillar of Islam. It is a form of worship of Allah performed by Muslims. Namaz has been made compulsory for Muslims 5 times daily. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said the key to heaven is namaz. In Arabic language, it is called as salah. May Allah give us the ability to offer namaz.
Dear friends, myself, I am Arifa Parveen, daughter of MD Kamaluddin. I am from Nahar Mantola. I study in class 2. Today I am here to present a speech on importance of namaz. Namaz is the second pillar of Islam. It is called as salah.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arfa Aftab. You are all welcome to our program. I am so happy to see you together here. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope you will enjoy the program. Have a good day. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good evening everyone. My name is Aska Aftab. My madrasa name is Jamiatul Musinat Parsa. My madrasa is the best madrasa in my place. My madrasa is a big playground. My madrasa is a very beautiful. I learning things in my madrasa. All the teachers at my madrasa are very kind and helpful. I love my madrasa very much. Thank you.
वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो हसनैन उर्दू मीडिया को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।